How's it going, guys? We're gonna pour some epoxy today. I've got my Ecopoxy Liquid Plastic, 2-to-1 ratio. They advertise 1-to-1 on the bottles for the purpose of these pieces and all woodworking. 2-to-1 is where you want it for the rock hard cure, about 48 to 72 hours depending on temperature. So I've got 4 forms here, then we're gonna head upstairs and do 3 more. I'm gonna do clear for these 3, black for this one, then we'll see how they turn out. Alright, so it's been a couple days now, 2 days. The epoxy has set. I've got a few of them out of the forms already. We're going to go ahead and take these 2 guys out. We're going to go through the jointer, planer, drum sander, and then on to sanding with the power tools here. And we'll get it all nice and flat and polished up so you can see the finished product. Let's go. Alright, I've got this piece right out of the drum sander at 120 grit. We're going to go up to 180 grit with my random orbit sander here. Then I'm gonna go into the Rotex with my 800 and all the way up to 4,000 grit to really buff it up. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Yellow cedar burl, casted in clear epoxy. Very happy with how this turned out. I think this is my favorite side. You got the live edge going all the way around. You can kind of see it. And the thickness really adds a third dimension almost when you're looking at it from an angle. It's really cool. Anyway, that was my process. If you have any questions, queries, qualms, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to them. Get to them all as best as possible. And check out the description for more info. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram at outofthewoods.works, and you can find that link in the description too. I've got a lot of content coming out on there with all my commissions and my job. So, and you'll also get to see all the other pieces I finished up from this. Until next time, take it easy.